So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can regularly post on your X account, which is formerly Twitter. And yes, no manual posting. This will be automated posting using Pabbly and Google Gemini. So yes, to do this I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. After you open the landing page of Pabbly Connect, in the top right corner, click on this sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of hours free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as schedule by Pabbly. So schedule is a feature by Pabbly which helps you to schedule your workflows. For the event, select schedule workflow and click on this connect. So we want to daily post on our Twitter, which is X now. So it is saying how often do you want to run your workflow, so select it as every day. For the time, select the preferred time on which you want to create this post. So let's say I'm going to select it as 12 p.m. and click on this save. Now you can see this workflow is scheduled for every day 12 p.m. This workflow is going to run and further execute the following actions. Alright, so to do this, let's click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Google Gemini, because first we're going to generate the content from Google Gemini and then only we're going to post it on our X account. So let's search for Google Gemini and select this Google AI Studio, which is Gemini. For the event, select generate content and click on this connect. Now it is asking you to add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you've already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for this API key. So to get this API key, open your Google AI Studio, and after opening this Google AI Studio, from the left end of the side, go to this get API key, and after coming to this get API key, click on this create API key, enter your key name, select the project, and then click on this create key button and your key will be created. So copy the key right from here and paste it right over here in your workflow. After pasting this key, click on this save and your Google Gemini account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the text, so enter the prompt using which you are going to generate the Twitter post, which is X now. So as you can see that this is my prompt, so I've entered the same. Now for the model, select the model according to your own choice. So I'm going to select the model as Gemini 2.0 Flash. For the method, I'm going to select it as generate content and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on this save and send test request, we're going to see that it has generated me this X post, which is formerly Twitter. Now let's post it on our X account. So let's close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to search for X. Alright, so click on this add new action step and search for X, which is formerly Twitter. So you can also type Twitter, search for Twitter, and X will appear over here. For the event, select create tweet and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between X and Pabbly Connect, click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with X, which is formerly Twitter. It is asking me for the client ID and the client secret. So to get this, click on this learn more button. Once you click on this learn more button, Pabbly forum window will appear. Over you're going to see the full document how you can create a connection between X and Pabbly Connect and how you can get this client ID and client secret. So first of all, it is saying that go to this page and open this https://developer.twitter.com. So let's open this page. After you open this page, go on this developer portal. Once you come on this developer portal, from the left end of the side, go to this project and apps, and you have to create an app. And in order to learn how to create an app, follow this document right from here. I've already created the app, so I'm just going to directly open the app, go to this keys and tokens. Over here is the client ID. So let's copy this client ID and paste it right over here. And now let's copy this client secret. So I'm just going to click on this regenerate, copy the client secret and paste it over here and click on this save. After clicking on this save, my X account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So we just have to wait for a few seconds, and now it is saying to authorize this. So let's click on this authorize app. Once we click on this authorize app, our X account, which is formerly Twitter, is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me for the message, which is the content. So this content my Gemini generated, which is my AI agent. So let's enter the same, but we're not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this or by copying it from the previous step, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So as you can see that I've successfully mapped this message. Now it is asking me for the quote tweet ID. So if you wish, you can definitely enter this, but I'm just going to keep both of this as blank because both of these are not required. If you wish, you can definitely fill it in. After entering this message, let's click on the save and send test request, and it is saying that it has successfully posted this on our X account, which is formerly Twitter. So let's open our X account, and now I'm just going to refresh this in order to check for the new tweet posted. So let's refresh this, and you're going to see the new tweet has been posted 16 seconds ago. You're going to see that this is the same tweet. Stop guessing, start knowing. Use A/B testing in your next email campaign. Even small tweaks can lead you huge conversion jumps. So yes, you can see that we have successfully posted this not only just once, but now every day this workflow is going to run at 12 p.m. Gemini is going to generate me a unique tweet every day related to my business or my page, and then further it will be posted on my X account, which is formerly Twitter. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, or your own Twitter account too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. So over here further, if you wish, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can check out my workflow copy and use my prompt too. So yes, go and try this amazing automation. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.